Have you ever watched a bee move from flower to flower? It's a mesmerizing sight. Tiny wings buzzing, legs dusted with pollen, and a sense of purpose in every movement. These little creatures are always busy, and their work is more important than most people realize. These small insects are far more than honeymakers. They're essential to life on Earth. Bees play a crucial role in keeping our planet healthy and our food supplies abundant. Bees are nature's expert gardeners, performing the vital job of pollination. Without their help, many plants simply couldn't reproduce or grow. As bees collect nectar, they transfer pollen between flowers, allowing plants to produce fruits, vegetables, and seeds. This process is the foundation of so much of the food we eat every day. Without bees, many of our favorite foods like apples, strawberries, and almonds would disappear. Imagine a world without these delicious treats on our tables. Bees are responsible for much of the variety and abundance in our diets. They help create the colorful, nutritious produce we rely on for healthy meals. This partnership between bees and flowers has evolved over millions of years, with plants and bees adapting to help each other thrive. Each flower and bee species has developed unique traits to support this incredible teamwork. Bees' work supports entire ecosystems, feeding not just humans but countless other animals. Birds, mammals, and even insects depend on the plants that bees pollinate for their own survival. Protecting bees means protecting the balance of nature that sustains us all. When we care for bees, we're also caring for the web of life that connects us to the natural world. Next time you see a bee, remember it's a tiny powerhouse, keeping our world alive. Every buzz and every visit to a flower is a small miracle happening right before our eyes. Let's discover why these pollinators are in danger, and what we can do to help. Together we can make a difference for bees and for the future of our planet. Despite their vital role in pollinating the plants that feed us, bees are vanishing at an alarming rate across the globe. Their disappearance is not just a concern for beekeepers, but for everyone who relies on fruits, vegetables, and nuts. Colony collapse disorder is wiping out entire hives, leaving beekeepers devastated and threatening our food supply with every lost colony. This mysterious phenomenon has become a global crisis. Pesticides, especially neonicotinoids, poison bees and disrupt their ability to find their way home. Even small doses can be lethal, and widespread use in agriculture puts entire populations at risk. Deadly parasites like the varroa mite weaken bees, spread disease, and make it even harder for colonies to survive. These tiny invaders are a constant threat. Climate change is shifting when flowers bloom, leaving bees hungry when they emerge from their hives. Unpredictable weather patterns make it harder for bees to find the food they need. These combined threats, disease, chemicals, and climate, create a crisis for bees and ultimately for us as well. The challenges are mounting. If we lose bees, we risk losing much of the food we depend on every day. Our diets, economies, and ecosystems would all be affected. Scientists and farmers are searching for solutions, working together to protect bees, but time is running out and urgent action is needed. The fate of bees is tied to our own. Their survival is essential for the future of our planet and for generations to come. A honeybee colony is a marvel of teamwork, where thousands of individuals come together to form a single, highly organized superorganism. Within the hive, every bee plays a unique and essential role, contributing to the colony's survival in its own way. The queen, the heart of the hive, lays thousands of eggs each day, ensuring the next generation. Worker bees, always female, are the colony's backbone. They clean, feed larvae, build intricate honeycomb, guard the hive, and venture out to forage for nectar and pollen. As workers age, their responsibilities shift, showing remarkable adaptability and flexibility as they move from one job to another. Drones, the male bees, have a singular purpose: to mate with a new queen and pass on their genes to the next generation. After mating, their role is complete, and as winter approaches, they're often expelled from the hive to conserve resources for the colony. This finely tuned division of labor keeps the colony healthy, productive, and thriving through the seasons. Each bee's specialized job, no matter how small, is absolutely crucial to the hive's survival and success. The hive's success depends on constant cooperation and sophisticated communication, like the famous waggle dance that shares the location of food. In every way, the honeybee colony stands as a perfect example of nature's efficiency, harmony, and collective intelligence. Honeybees are just one of nearly 20,000 bee species worldwide, Most bees are solitary, building their own nests and raising young alone. Solitary bees, like mason bees, are gentle and incredibly efficient pollinators. They nest in stems, wood, or underground, quietly supporting wildflowers and crops. Bees communicate in amazing ways. Honeybees use the waggle dance to share food locations. Pheromones help bees warn of danger or maintain hive harmony. Every bee, social or solitary, plays a vital role in our ecosystems. Protecting all bees is essential for a healthy planet. Their survival is our survival.